Today, we're diving into the world of foldable phones with a comprehensive comparison between the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. These devices are promising to revolutionize the way we use smartphones, combining the power of a top-tier flagship with the versatility of a foldable design. Google is pushing the Pixel 9 Pro Fold as the ultimate multitasking device, packed with AI-driven features and a massive seamless display that aims to enhance productivity and entertainment. On the other hand, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 continues to refine its foldable experience, boasting improved durability, a stunning display, and powerhouse of performance. But how do they stack up against each other? Well, let's dive into detailed comparison of these two foldable phones and see which one is best for your needs and style. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting off with the design and size, Google takes a bold step away from Samsung's narrow cover screen approach, opting instead for a wider, thinner design that feels more like a regular smartphone when closed. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is narrower and taller than its predecessor, making it more comfortable to use one-handed. In contrast, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 sticks to its guns with a tall, narrow cover screen that, while practical for quick tasks, can feel cramped for more extensive use. The Pixel's wider design feels more natural and less boxy in the hand, making it easier to transition between its folded and unfolded states. The hinge quality, a crucial aspect of foldable phones, remains robust on both devices, though Samsung edges ahead slightly with its IP48 rating, offering better protection against dust and water compared to the Pixel's IPX8 rating. The new camera module on the Pixel is a departure from its previous designs, offering a fresh look, though it still refuses to lay flat on a table. Both phones are hefty, with the Pixel being slightly heavier, but neither feels overly burdensome. Samsung's color options are more vibrant, offering more personality compared to the Pixel's more subdued choices. In terms of design, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold takes the edge with its wider, more traditional feel, making it a better option for those who want a foldable that doesn't stray too far from the smartphone norm. Moving on to the displays, both devices pack stunning OLED screens inside and out, with Samsung continuing to flex its muscle as the king of AMOLED technology. The Z Fold 6 features a 6.3-inch cover screen and a 7.6-inch main screen, both with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. On the other hand, Google's Pixel 9 Pro Fold matches these specs with its own 6.3-inch external display and a slightly larger 8-inch main screen, both also running at 120Hz refresh rate. Where Google shines is in the brightness department, with its Actua and Super Actua displays pushing out a peak brightness of 2700 nits, slightly outshining Samsung's 2600 nits. This makes the Pixel a bit more visible in bright sunlight, which could be a game changer for outdoor use. Both devices have top-notch screen protection with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, but for pure display prowess, Samsung holds the crown with its tried-and-true AMOLED tech that consistently delivers an exceptional viewing experience, even if Google's brightness advantage can't be ignored. When it comes to cameras, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold carries the Pro moniker, but it doesn't quite live up to the camera tech found in its regular Pixel 9 Pro siblings. It sports a 48-megapixels main camera, a 12-megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10.5-megapixels 5x telephoto camera, which maxes out at 20x super res zoom. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is in a similar boat, with a 50-megapixels main camera, 12-megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixels 3x telephoto, but it offers up to 30x digital zoom. It's a bit surprising that neither phone pushed the envelope here with their camera setups, opting instead to stick with tried-and-true sensors from previous models. But the Samsung's image processing has seen improvements, making the Z Fold 6's photos look better than its predecessors, especially in challenging lighting conditions. While the Pixel 9 Pro Fold could still surprise us with Google's renowned computational photography, for now, Samsung's Z Fold 6 edges out slightly in this department due to its more polished camera software and better zoom capabilities. Moving on to the performance and software. This is where these two devices really start to diverge. Google's Tensor G4 chip is all about AI and machine learning, designed in collaboration with DeepMind to bring smarter, more intuitive experiences. It's not the most powerful chip on the market, but it's built to make Google's vision of AI-driven software come to life. That includes faster app launches, better battery efficiency during heavy tasks, and enhanced integration with Google Assistant and the new Gemini AI features. On the other hand, Samsung packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform for Galaxy, which is a beast when it comes to raw performance. It's likely to outpace the Pixel 9 Pro Fold in benchmarks and heavy-duty tasks. For those who prioritize AI smarts and a streamlined experience, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the better choice, while power users who want the best performance and multitasking capabilities might lean toward the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Battery life and charging are critical for any foldable, and here we see an interesting trade-off. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold has a 4,650 mAh battery, slightly smaller than its predecessors, but Google claims the Tensor G4's efficiency improvements will make up for the difference. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 houses a 4,400 mAh battery, which isn't the largest, but Samsung's software optimizations ensure it can last a full day with moderate use. When it comes to charging, Google has a clear advantage with 37 watts wired charging support, which should lead to faster top-ups compared to Samsung's 25 watts charging. In real-world usage, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is likely to offer quicker charges, but the Galaxy Z Fold 6 should still comfortably get you through the day. If fast charging is a priority, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the winner here. So, which one should you buy? The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a lot going for it, especially with features like S Pen support and DeX, which are perfect for productivity enthusiasts. However, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's wider screen, AI smarts, and faster charging make it an enticing option for those who want a foldable that feels more like a traditional smartphone with a tech-savvy edge. Both devices are impressive in their own right, and the choice ultimately comes down to what you value more: Samsung's tried-and-true foldable experience with added productivity tools, or Google's innovative approach with a focus on AI and ease of use. Either way, you're in for a treat.